Buongiorno a tutti. My name is Miriam Cacciacarro, and I will be cooking with you through the Roseto Valfortore Cultural Center Cookbook. Today, we will be baking Amaretti Cookies from the kitchen of Antoinetta Pugliese. For this recipe, you will need eggs, Lieveto, which is also baking powder in Italian, sugar, almonds, vanilla sugar, and almond extract. The first step, what I will be doing is I'll be grinding my almonds. You can buy the flour already ground, almond flour, but I will be grinding my own. For the next step, you're going to beat your eggs and your sugar together. Once your eggs and sugar are beaten together, you're going to add your almond extract. At this point in the recipe, you're going to fold in your ground almonds, and you're also going to add in your Lieveto and your vanilla sugar as well. Once your dough is properly combined, you're going to take it and you're going to form your cookies, about half a teaspoon in size. And at that point, you're going to roll them in icing sugar. Once that's complete, you're going to take a cookie sheet and line it with parchment paper and put your cookies on there. At this point, you're going to take your cookies and put them in the oven and bake them for about 15 minutes or until the top is a bit brown. And that's going to be at 350 degrees. Now is time for the taste test. These little amaretti are so adorable. Wow. Now I understand though why I made them so small, because they grew quite big. Let's see how they taste. Wow. The flavors, you can taste the almond, the vanilla, and a little dusting of white icing sugar on the top just gives a little bit of class to them. Amazing cookies. For those of you who want to try the recipe, it is in the description box below. You can also follow me on Instagram at A Taste of Roseto Valfortore, where I will be posting photos, behind-the-scene videos for all of you to follow along. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave a comment if you've tried this recipe and if you've enjoyed it. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, buon appetito! I can't. Okay. I can't, guys. Oh. She's recording.